No, stay. Stay.
He's kind of big.
No.
Come here, puppy.
Hey, leave it.
Yeah.
Harley's going, that dog's kind of big.
I'm gonna lick you to death.
Oh, look at him put his little paw on your toe.
Good boy, Milo. Your head's bigger
Harley
than
says,
his
do you
whole
have to
body.
be so forceful? Can we do this gradually?
No, stay.
Fine,
Stay. Buddy. Hey, no, no, no. Sit.
You want to go in there?
Sit. Stay.
His whole leg's just shaking.
You know, his legs shake.
Well,
You think it's a big old thing?
I think it's an excited thing.
Yeah.
He's
He
excited.
was
Milo.
shaking when he was asleep.
Hey,
so he
no.
was a dream.
Milo.
He was chasing
Leave it.
something.
Yeah. Oh, Max would
Sit.
do that. You'd see him everywhere. So you hear
Go get him. Go get him.
He's getting all excited, man. He's like, I want to play with him, I think. So come back over here.
he says, what's this all about?
You gotta see what it's about.
Yep, it's a boy.
It's not a little girl.
You gotta see what it's about.
Clean his ears. Is his ears clean,
Yeah.
Milo?
He says, I
His
got to,
armpits?
he says, I got to check every inch of him.
See, he ain't afraid of them.
Good boy.
It's not used to being the big dog.
I think it's funny when he put his paws on.
I know.
Go get him.
He says, okay, I would love to.
Go get him.
He says, well, I'd
Go
like
get him.
He said, I'd like to
Go
stay
get him.
on your lap and get him at the same time. Just wants that little bit of security. He says, oh, don't put me down. He says,
Milo.
Hey.
He keeps raising his little arms up.
yes, Milo, do you know what gentle means?
Not really.
No.
Knows it doesn't
I can't
practice.
believe how long he's gotten.
Yeah, Milo would just like crush him if you let go of him.
He said, maybe I could chew on your toes.
Hey, Milo. Get easy.
Milo, you just don't know your own strength, do you?
No.
I think it's funny if he puts his
And
hand.
Midnight was surprisingly gentle with him when he was a puppy, but he, I don't think, knows that.
Who was gentle with him?
My dad's dog, Midnight.
Was Midnight a boy or a girl?
The girl.
Trying to hug him.
Maybe that's it.
Well, they would play, and she would growl real ferociously, but she
Just be
wouldn't.
very gentle.
Yeah. I mean, she'd knock him around, but
It's like
Never heard of
it's like most of them, except maybe Milo.
You know he put his paw on him. Oh, they're hugging.
He said,
That's a
oh,
little
don't
puppy, Milo.
don't hit him with your tail.
He used to be that little. Oh!
He says, let me get out of the way here.
Milo, you don't need to sniff anymore.
Woo!
He just wanted to play.
Now I won't.
It's funny how they try to get down to the other one's size. He said, okay.
Now I'm gonna try to find
Usually it's the little ones that get a little rougher because
yeah, I'm surprised how.
Mello,
a little more rough.
Oh, he's got him pinned down.
he's going to hold it. He says,
Stay right there. Oh, jeez.
he says, no.
You're not going anywhere.
Oh. He says,
Go in your cage. Oh, he's
Now he's getting ready.
No, he just puts his paw. He puts his paw on.
get him, Harley.
Get him, Harley.
Oh, isn't that cute? See, he's wanting a brother. rough house with
I'm
pine.
gonna take some pictures too.
Well,